Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today here at LR Options, we're going to be looking at how we can look for better ways to enter trade by looking at the information that we get from pullbacks. If you're a beginner, please consider subscribing. We're going to be looking at today's stocks. We're going to be looking at CVX, ABT, PG, KR. Those are Chevron Corporation, Abbott Laboratories, Kroger. Okay. Oh, and of course Procter & Gamble. All right, so let's bring up Chevron Corporation on the screen. That would be CVX. CVX. All right, and all right. Let's go to, oh, and we're gonna have up the 2-hour time frame. All right, and let's look at January 13, 2020. Let's look at January 17. Let's look at what the stock was doing. It was going, okay, we were having a downtrend. All right, and now let me get the arrow tool here so it can be clearer. Okay, January 17, the stock opened at 115.48. It went down to, okay, let's see, it went over to 111.33. Okay, then it started to pull back, which is going against the trend, and it went up to 111.74. And once you see the green arrows, you wait until they're finished coming up, and in the first red arrow, you enter a trade to go down. So you enter a put trade, so you become bearish, and that's right after the pullback. Let's look at another pullback. Okay, we're still in a downtrend. Okay, here's the pullback. All right, and let's say we enter the trade over here, 110.17. We stay in it for a while, 104.43. And it was right after the last green arrow, last green candle, I'm sorry. Once the first red candle appears, you enter your put trade. All right. Let's look at the opposite. Well, that's not much of a uptrend. Let's look over here. Okay, we're in a downtrend a little here. Well, let's get to there. Again, we have a little bit of a pullback here. Okay, you wait for a red arrow, which is right here. Red arrow right there. Or you can wait for another one and then enter your put trade. Again, you wait for the, on a downtrend, you wait for a pullback. Here you go. You got 2 green arrows. I don't know why I keep saying green arrows. You have 2 green candles. Then the first red candle you have, you see, you go down. You enter a trade. You enter a put trade. So you're going down. So you're in that, you go bearish. Okay, let's see, all right, the reverse. Here we go. Get rid of that arrow. The reverse, going up. Okay, let's open that up a little bit more so you can see. All right, so the trade's going up this time. Your stock is going up. You see a little bit of a pullback. and then you see the trade continue up a little bit. Okay, that first green arrow, you get back into the trade. Over here, have a little bit of an uptrend. Okay, you wait for a pullback, red arrows, red candles, and in the first green candle that appears, you trade. You enter a call trade. Again, pullback, call trade. Now this is on the 2-hour time frame. Let's change this to the 30 on what, okay, let's see, we're in April the 3rd. Well, let's bring it back to where we began. March 5th. Let's change it to the 30-minute time frame. And we're going to go to March the 5th. Okay, here we go. Let's open it up so we can see it clearer. Okay, now look at what happens. In the 2-minute time frame, we were only depending on 4 large candles for that day for pullbacks and going with the trend. Now, in the 30-minute time frame, you get a lot more candles. The only problem is you get so much detail, you get so much information that it's easier and you can to make a mistake and get in at the wrong time. So let's say over here, it's going down this way, and you see these arrows right here, these candlesticks. You've got green, you've got red, you've got green, you've got red, green, green, red, red, red. Where do you get in? Where do you enter your put trade? Okay, it's hard to tell where your pullback is. It's a little bit harder to tell. Same thing over here. Okay, you're going down steadily. You've got a few green arrows. Then they're broken up by 4 red candles, and you've 2 green candles. So it's so much harder to tell, where's my pullback? Okay. So maybe the best thing to do is use the 2-hour time frame. It's easier, it's cleaner, and it's less confusing. All right, let's go to another chart. Let's go to Abbott Laboratories, ABT. Let's see what happens with ABT. All right, ABT. We've got a little bit over here, but let's look at the downtrend first. Okay, we've got a downtrend going on over here. Then you've got, again, a lot of detail. So we're going to go back to the 2-hour, which I find is the easiest. And I didn't look at the date we were in, but anyway, let's say it was over here. Okay. Look how much more easier this is to recognize where the pullback is. You're going downtrend, right? You've got a green arrow. First, you've got a green candle. I don't know why I keep saying arrow. You've got a green candle. Your first red candle that shows up, you enter your bear trade. Okay. Again. Oh, this is where we were at. Okay. Let's look at the uptrend. Okay, so it's going up. All right, so here you're going up. Then you have a pullback right here. So your first green candle, you enter your call trade. Okay, again, you have a pullback, a little bit of a pullback, and again, you enter your call trade. Let's see what else we can see in here. And again, we're using the 2-hour time frame. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Let's look at another chart. Let's look at PG, Procter & Gamble. Okay, PG. Let's bring it up on the screen. All right. Again, stock is, okay, here we go. Stock is going down. Okay, red candles, green candle. First red candle, you go down. Green candle, first red candle, you go down. Same thing for the opposite. You've got green candles going up, red candle, enter call trade, go up. Okay, same thing. Let's look at, all right, here we go. Okay, stock is moving up. We've got green candles, a little pullback, goes up, pullback, goes up, pullback, goes up. Some indecision there. It's not really, it's just trading sideways a little. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Again, going down. Okay, you've got mostly red candles. Okay, you got a large green candle. Let's say when it gets up to here, you've got your first red candle, enter a put trade, and there you go. Okay, so that's it for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and please let everybody know what we're doing here at LR Options. Thank you. Bye bye.